In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for images in Google Drive. First, make sure you're logged into Google Drive using the account that has the files you want to search. It's easiest to follow along in a desktop browser, where all the search tools are visible on the top toolbar. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for the universal search bar. This is where Drive lets you search across your files by name, content, and even file type, which is exactly what we need for images. On the right side of that search bar, you'll see the Advanced Search button. Depending on your interface, it may look like a set of sliders or a funnel icon. Click it to open the detailed search panel. This panel is helpful because it narrows down results so you don't have to sift through everything in your drive. In the panel, find the field labeled Type. Click the drop-down and choose Photos and Images. This setting tells Drive to focus only on files it recognizes as image formats, such as JPEGs, PNGs, and GIFs. If you already know a keyword, a date range, or a folder you want to search within, you can type those into the other fields before running the search. But the critical filter here is the type selection. Now click the search button or simply press enter. Drive will return results that match the photos and images filter. You should see thumbnails that make it easy to identify the visuals you're after. If you notice PDF files appearing, don't be surprised. Many PDFs are image-based or contain embedded pictures, and Google Drive sometimes includes them under image-related searches because of that content. You can hover over a result to preview it, open it to view full size, or right-click to take actions like moving, sharing, or downloading. If your results look too broad, double-check that the type is still set to photos and images, and not all types. You can also refine your search term in the main bar to include a specific subject, like a project name or a client keyword, and run the search again. Small adjustments can make a big difference in cutting through large libraries. And that's it. By logging in, locating the search bar, opening Advanced Search, selecting photos and images under Type, and clicking Search, you can quickly surface the visuals you need without digging through folders. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to run the same process anytime you need to find images fast in Google Drive.